Okay, so we've baked our cookies, now it's time to decorate. I use royal icing to decorate my cookies, and the ingredients in the recipe that I use are meringue powder, powdered sugar, vanilla, and water. If you don't have meringue powder, you can use egg whites, and there are many recipes online which will show you how to do that. To store the bulk of my royal icing in this giant pastry bag. I learned this trick from another cookier. It's a great way to store the icing, and I like to keep mine in the refrigerator. It doesn't take up very much room, and then when I want to use some of it, I just snip off the top and squirt it into either my piping bag or bottle. However, if you don't have a large pastry bag like this, you can just simply put your royal icing into a Tupperware with an airtight lid. Pull the bag upright, and now I'm going to take the bag out of the pitcher, twist the top, and seal it with a bag clip. If you don't have a bag clip, a rubber band will work just fine. And there you have 2 pounds of powdered sugar turned into 4 or so cups of royal icing. The royal icing can be stored in the refrigerator or on the counter. I prefer to keep mine in the refrigerator. It's good for a month or more, and can also be frozen if you don't want to use it all at once. It should yield around 5 dozen cookies. I will only be making about 2 dozen cookies today, so most of this will be put away for future use. Once I've snipped off the tip of the bag, I'm simply going to use a binder clip to fold up the top of the bag like so, clip it, and store. There you have it, royal icing ready to go. Now let's get decorating those toilet paper cookies.